Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some resets for the AdBlue on a Mercedes that has a diesel engine. If you go to maintenance, go to AdBlue, select Mercedes. So do smart VIN, or you can manually select your model if it's a GL450 or E350 or a Sprinter, anything, but smart VIN selects it automatically for you. You have a couple of options here. Motor electronics. If you go there, press OK. Reset a fault message, fault in AdBlue system in the instrument cluster. So a lot of times this error message might be different, might not always say fault in AdBlue. A lot of times you might get like X number of stars remaining or things of that nature. Now you can carry out a reset here. It's going to send a clear command in there. A lot of times it might give you, if you didn't fix the issue, it might give you another 50 or 100 miles before that error message comes back. Go to, also if you go back, go to selective catalytic reduction, press OK. You can reset the fill level of the AdBlue tank. So if you're getting message that like your level is low, then you can reset that. And also teaching process after replacement of AdBlue metering valve. You can carry those if you know that they're functioning properly. Also, if the reset here is not working, what you want to do is go back here, go all the way back, go to Diagnostics, and then select Mercedes from that list, or just do smart VIN, which is a lot faster. With control modules, there's two systems you want to check. Make sure that you got no codes in. One is motor electronics and the second is selective catalytic reduction. Depending on what code, what issue is going on, that reset might complete, but if it doesn't, it means that you probably have something going on here that's affecting that reset. It's not allowing you to run the reset. So you have to fix whatever issue you got going on here, and then that changes from current, so you can see stored and current. Once this issue is fixed on your car, you'll switch to just stored, then you can erase here. And then also for troubleshooting, it helps going to live data and looking at live data as well if you're really diving in. But the other one is selective catalytic reduction with codes there as well, and make sure you don't have any codes. If you do, fix those, clear the codes on those two places, and then carry out DPF reset on the previous menu under maintenance, and that should in most cases get rid of your limited start number or things of that nature that have to do with the AdBlue. But if you see here under selective catalytic reduction, real quick, live data, you can see a lot of valuable information here live. So if, let's say, if you are seeing like 0 here, but you know your DPF is full, then you know you got an issue going on. AdBlue temperature, this is another one. You got ranges where they should be, and this is what the car is reading. So you can compare those values, and if one of these, for example, is AdBlue temperature is out of range, then that's why you would get those codes in the instrument cluster that says you only have X amount of starts and things of that nature. So this, you can see here, look at that exhaust temperature, it should be higher. It's too low, and sometimes it drops to 0, so that might be an issue going on there. AdBlue metering, you can see the values there. Test values while driving. You should do this with 2 people. One is driving and the other one is looking at these values as they change. This pressure in AdBlue supply circuit is definitely a reading way out of range. That's way too high. And the individual valve values here. So that's it. If you have a Mercedes and you're getting an error message on the instrument cluster regarding AdBlue and limited number of stops, or the car won't stop after 10 more starts or things of that nature, these are some of the things that you should check. try to figure out what's going on and what's causing those error messages. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.